Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook Ads Manager account. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now here, as you can see, when you open this page, and I will leave this page down below in the description, you can navigate and see what actually you need to do. So first you'll have to fulfill these requirements. You should be using a computer. You cannot do that by using your mobile phone. You must have full control of the ad account or business portfolio to close an ad account. And you need to know that any outstanding balance on your account will be charged to your credit card. The credit cards on your account will be automatically removed after your outstanding balance has been paid. And this process may take up to 2 working days. Now, what are the steps to close your ad account? First, you'll have to go to Ads Manager settings, and be careful, you may be asked to enter your password. After that, below business payments, you'll have to click on deactivate ad account. Then they will ask you to confirm the deactivation. You have to click on confirm, and you'll have to provide the reason why, but this is optional. They will give you like a description box. You have to tell them exactly why you want to cancel or deactivate your account. And after that, you can simply click on deactivate ad account, and by this way your ad account will be closed and the payment of any outstanding balance will be pending. And if you face any problem, you can simply talk to the support, and don't forget that I will leave you down below in the description the link to this page if you want to read more or if you want to memorize all about the steps. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.